Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Let's get started here. Let's take a look at Curie. Oh, Curi. I hope the sound's coming okay here and you guys can hear me. Let's get started here. Is sound coming okay? All right, awesome. All right. I hear some things in the background, but that's fine because I can mute everyone on Skype. I can do that on Zoom, but that's for our regular day. So we're here on Friday. I wanted to come in and do this for everybody, kind of. But good morning. So let's get started. Uh, Definitely some divergence in the market. I'm just going to take a few minutes and talk about it, and we're going to move on. We've been talking about what's happening in the market. The Qs are opening a flat, and you guys know I've been pointing this. It's been in a range for the last 3-4 days, or 1, 2, 3, 4 days. The break of this, I definitely put this as a warning here. Break of this could take us lower, maybe into this area and lower, and break of this obviously takes it higher. But when you look at the spies here, spies breaking support here, spies breaking support, and there's support here, so there's nothing really alarming. If spies pulls back to the 21-period moving average 372, that is only healthy, and this is healthier. This would be great. Give us an opportunity to really load up. So nothing really alarming here. IWM, a gap under the green bar. Okay, that's at any bullish stock, I would say this is a buying opportunity if you're trading a bullish stock, a gap under this green bar. And this is we'll see how this materializes. This has a historic run in IWM, especially since the election, and then this was reconfirmation of the move. That is your swing long, and then from here 172 to 13. You think about that. It gives you pretty close to 40 points move, and that's also for 25% move. So that's pretty darn good. What I don't have any true favorites today. I really don't. N- nothing nothing really that stands out to me. PLTR, it's got some work to do. I'm swing here. A TLRY will definitely come in before we get long here. ZM, I do like. This is probably one of my favorite ZM. This has about 400 or two. Let's see how this sets up. Weekly chart. It's a beautiful weekly buy setup. Basically, that's what it is. Tesla, good move today. It's putting a weekly 1, 2, 3. You can kind of go back and see. I talked about Tesla, and this works. Base break, weekly 1, 2, 3, and another 200 points move. So it's really kind of for the this or whoever likes to get into Tesla. Every time they see this type of move inside week, they they go all in. I mean, after this 500 is almost double. This is the only time you had a good on Tesla, which was right here. This is a weekly breakout. Remo, this one is a good gap. 23. I'll be interested for 23 on a Remo. APDN, beautiful consolidation. APDN reminds me of a triple D a little bit, but obviously different stage. 423,000 shares traded. I would love to see about a million shares here on APDN, and I would have liked it more on APDN. And ACB, same a little bit better than Tilray actually. So 12.80, 13 bucks. This got room to look at where it can go. So I got long ACB and Tilray with our members, and we now doubled the 170% return on Tilray. So BABA, this one's going to be interesting. If BABA can take out If BABA can take out 249 today, 250 and 200 period moving average, look for about 260 on BABA. So BABA is interesting. And nothing happening with Baidu. I already checked. ACTC, just the buy setup here. Nothing crazy here. A DM, this is nothing crazy. It's a daily chart. Let's see how this sets up. BB putting up about 8 million shares. So that's a volume alert for me, and see if something proliferate here from this setup. And we are open. I like some shorts though. And then GME, let's set up. I like Wells Fargo short. Absolutely like this. So let's see what we got going on here. I don't really trade anything the first minute. I'm I usually, unless I have a tier one gap, I go to 1 minute high, 1 minute low is not a strategy. So yeah, NNDM, I did see that NNDM. That's not bad. NNDM is not bad. Again, I'm gonna need some type of a pattern here before I can take NNDM. So I'm gonna put this on the chart. Let's see if we can get a pattern. All the shorts are putting a green bar at the open, which is good. If you want to short something, that is good. Triple D putting a green bar, Plug's putting a green bar, and all these are Plug is actually a really nice short. So Plug under 63, I'm going to short this. PDD putting a green bar, market putting a green. We just looked at WFC. That's also, it's a really nice short under 33 WFC. I think can come to 31 bucks with a nice tight stop. And then ICPT. This is also nice. So let's see how things move here. Um, Remo here's at 23 bucks. That is one of my favorite long here on Reno 23, and it is going 23 by 22.40. There's absolutely no pattern. It's 1 minute high will be 22.6. So if if you want to, I don't buy after this type of a green bar, but if that is your strategy, go for it. I'm not gonna be in it. I like, yeah, I love this. I love this. If this, if I get this for 1 minute, man, I'm in. So sign me in at 23 by 22.40, and this is a big stop. You can play with. So this looks good. RMO. This is probably the favorite here, RMO, and it's gonna go here. Uh, it's going to go. It's gonna break out here. All right, I'm fully hydrated now. The RMO is going. Didn't have my entry though. No entry, no trade. Ah, look at that. Nice move here. So I am going to play this SENS over $2, and I'm gonna give it a stop if it sets up. I'm gonna give about a 10-cent stop here. SENS. Um, PLTR looks. Where's PLTR? Let me just do it right here. PLTR looks good over the highs, and triple D looks lower here. Triple D looks, if comes down here. I like this triple D lower. PDD looks lower. PDD is really nice here. 163 by 164 short. sitting at 21 period moving average, but that's about it. And plug is trying to 63 by, look at the stop here, big stop on plug. But plug 63, guys. I'm gonna short plug a little bit here. I'm gonna short plug. Watching here. Plug 63 by 65. I'm gonna give it $2 stop. It's a big stop on plug, but do not. I'm not going to anticipate this plug. Look at that. I just got filled, so let me. All right, so we are short plug. I really like PDD too. And also like FCell short here. FCell under 1660. Under 1660. I like this. I might add to my plug. And I like, oh, PLTR is going. PLTR is going. Good trade here at 27. PLTR. Go plug. Die. Die. Plug die. Come on, die, plug. Come on, die. There we go. There we go. And PLTR, I missed. I missed here PLTR. That's fine. There we go. RMO is interesting here. 23 by 22.50. You got about a 50-cent stop here on RMO. PLTR, nice breakout on PLTR. I've got swing going with PLTR, so I should have been in that trade though. On PLTR. I'm super focused on plug right now. I need plug to roll over here. Tesla is also good. This is good. This looks good. Just a little sloppy here, but looks good. Market's nice. Wow, PLTR, go baby. It's fine. If it's not gonna happen, this was the trade right here. This was the entry, and I was too focused on the plug a little bit, but 26.60 was the entry, and nice move here. Nice move. And ZM, I think ZM is good to go. Oh, same thing. ZM is right into the target. Baba, I just started a position. I just started a position in Baba. I will add to Baba's position. I just started it. Let's see. I think I like this. I like this RMO. I like this RMO. All right, the 2310 by 2270 RMO. Like it. Like the consolidation here. And the till rate looks higher. Till rate looks higher. Over 2150. Till rate looks higher. I'm gonna pass on till rate, but that looks higher. And Tesla looks higher. Tesla looks higher. 860 by 860 by 853, $7 stop on Tesla. This looks higher. It does look higher. And all right, I'm Remo 2310, guys, 2310 by 2270 RMO. So gonna put in my orders here on Remo. We got about a 60-cent stop here on Remo. Remo just triggered. RMO just triggered. And Grub could have continuation. Grub could see continuation of yesterday. It's putting it like a yesterday type pattern. Okay. I need Remo to break the highs, and if it breaks the highs, I think we can see 24 here. 24 will be a nice target for us. Close to 24 will be a nice target. Put in here. 2310 by 22. So OBSV. Wow, that's really getting going. Nice, nice. OBSV, nice. Here we go. This one is getting ready to go. SENS. SENS. Get ready for this SENS. I'm going to start a position here on SENX. First position, and then I'm going to add it over $2, but the entry is $2 by 190. Quick play here, SENS. It's about to go. ACB looks higher. Box L looks okay. Plug die, please. Plug die. Come on. This SENS looks good here. Box L looks okay too. And I am going to be in this PLTR. PLTR. That is looking pretty good now. It's looking pretty good. Entry will be 27.20 on PLTR. So keep an eye on. There goes the ACB. And let's go. SRNE looks higher. SRNE looks higher. And here we go. SCNS. BABA. Let's go BABA. BABA's higher. All right, look at this, SRNE7. Things are starting to move here. Things are starting to move here. BABA is not bad. Yeah, BABA. I'm already long BABA. BABA is not bad. And this our RMO. As RMO, is it gonna get it done for us? That's the question. WFC is not bad. WFC is not bad. Good short here. Super tight stop here on WFC. Gonna short WFC a little bit here. Just shorted WFC. It's right here, 32.90. Stop will be 33.10. Quick play on WFC. Quick play. Can add here 32.79. I'll walk you through this trade. Boom. I mean, I didn't get it. I'm just literally looking for it. So, there we go, WFC. There we go. There we go. So WFC, watch the tape here. 32.70 holding. Break 32.70. About to break here, 32.70. About to break. There we go. Oh, look at that. But boom. There we go. Well, hopefully you guys getting how to really get how to trade these names. And it's about to hit my target for this trade. There we go. There we go. How about that? Well, hopefully you guys are learning, right? How about that? Look at this. That's a quick 500 bucks on WFC. So hopefully you guys are learning. I've got plug. I've took some profits in plug. So that went to 500. It still looks good. Honestly, plug still looks good. If you guys played it with me, this went $1. I mean, look where it's at. It still looks lower. So that gave me nice 500 bucks. I just showed you how to make quick 500 in WFC. So that's a grand. Oh, you fuck. Totally missed it. That was the entry, 27 bucks. Totally missed it. Look at this nice shakeout. What an entry on PLTR. I got this dead trade RMO. I don't know what to do with it. I think I'm just gonna kill it. I really am kill it. If it takes out this low, I'm gonna kill it. So 10 cents. I'll give it 10 more cents and I'm gonna kill this RMO. But it's just doing absolutely nothing. It's a dead trade. And that's all I did. That's all I did. If I would do anything, I would short PDD. And it's look at you know what was the low here? 32.36. Let's see where did I get out? I wasn't even watching the chart. I got out 32.45. So there we go. You know, it's just you got to be able to read the order flow, read the chart, and honestly, if you want to, it probably looks lower. It has room to, might have room to this. If market starting to puke, this can go. Um, PLTR guys, next entry on PLTR. I would be adding here 2750 actually on PLTR. I would be adding. Like I said, I already have this as a swing trade. Uh, that looks good, but ACTC is the only thing that's moving on my chart. ACTC, that one. And entry, I wasn't really excited about the ACTC, but this is the only thing that's moving. SENS never got my order, which I should leave. So and RMO, I'm going to cancel this trade. I'm going to kill this trade right here. And so I do take some losses as part of the game. So I just killed that trade. Curie. Damn. Yeah. Yeah, SRPT again. SRPT, it's doing it again. You want this 91.75 by 91.50 and make it a potential home run trade, then that is what's gonna happen. You know what I do like though? I do like ZM here. I do like ZM. 398 by 3 397 by 393, $4 stop. Targets into 402. Targets into 402 on that one. Good exit on Remo, right? Killed that trade. Worked out perfect. Like I said, this is where I'm gonna kill that trade. So save another 30 bucks. I mean, not 30 cents. I had 500 shares. So 150 bucks. BB is interesting. PLTR nonstop to the top. It's this thing has heavy short float as well, so it squeezes on. It's a beautiful setup. I mean, this is kind of a, it's building this. This is a power play setup on from a pattern standpoint. Look at this. This is, it's building. It's not a long cup with handle. I didn't do this right. Let me show you guys right here. It's right here, and it's building this, but it's not, the longer the base, the bigger the move's going to be. So that's, this right here. I'm going to give you how I swing trade it and how the fundamentals and how I look at the power plays. It was $10. Okay, we played it long in our swing trading on record. We took it from here. It went a straight out vertical move in 30. To first base to the second base, it doubled. Okay, so this right here, you draw a line. If you want to do a power play setup, that's $20 is it went to 30, 20 to 30, 50% move, 33. Now it pulls back to about from here to here. It gives you nice little entry back to base, but holds the base that originated the big move and then just consolidates. If you get into the old saying about how you read the chart, I mean, this is different ways to read the chart, but this is really for swing traders. Any stock that doubles and hold its initiating base, it would be first base, either this one, because look at the volume that came in. The volume matters. Pull back 40% from here. That's acceptable. If you go into, and then this is breaking its downtrend today. It's just breaking its downtrend. Big, big bull flag on the daily. That's right. I just drew this for you. This thing can go back to $40. PLTR got lots and lots of room. Lots of room. ZM was good. ZM was good. I didn't take it. I think I'm done. I'm up about $848 today, so I'm good, and I'm actually gonna call it a day. Uh, no need for me to just sit around on Friday. I am good. I'm good to go. I am good to go here. Um, if that plug is gonna pay you guys, if you're holding on the holding plug, that plug's gonna pay you. I only took $1 from the plug. Um, that WFC, look at that. Look at WFC. If you played it, man, that's a nice trade. I mean, where is BB? BB looks okay. I'm not in love with this trade. BB looks okay. Looks okay. It's about 10 o'clock. Like I said, I am going to get off the mic here. In about another, I don't know, let's call it 10 minutes. But I yeah, there BB's if you're gonna that you know what who brought up BB? Someone brought up BB in the room, but this is reading this on the 5 minutes. You've got a nice reversal here at 11, and your stop is 1070. So this, just understand this is look up and another gap up of 22%. But these are momentum stocks. This can keep going. I did miss bingo. I brought it up. I did miss this bingo a little bit. And SENS, nothing. No trigger here on SENS. Man, look at this PDD. All of our shorts are working well today. And now, congratulations, plug. Those of you who are playing, plug. Congrats. You're about to get paid on plug. Seriously, hold it. I might just enter another position here on plug. Next move up, I might just enter another one here on plug. Tesla smackdown. Us flat right now. We are flat. Got nothing open. Look at markets getting hammered at 10 o'clock reversal time. So we timed pretty much everything with the market. And I wish I still had this WFC because I would have gotten a dollar WFC. Look at that. Where did I enter? Third, yeah, about a dollar move. That's $1,000 move because I had what? How many shares do I have? 1,000. BB looks good, holding really well. Good relative strength. I am not feeling anything. Edit looks good. Edit is good. See, this is I like. Move up, kind of base. Obviously, this is explosive stock. So you got an 84 by 82 entry. Uh, Extreme relative strength. Look at Marcus puking. And this thing is just holding well. Holding really well. Okay. Should we do this half a size? 84 by 82 on edit. Anybody wants to do this? I got no takers on of edit. No takers. APHA. I'll look. Give me 1 second here. I am getting interested in this. All right, half a size. And I'm gonna do $200 risk instead of 4, which is norm. I'm gonna do 84. I'm gonna do 84 by. I'm gonna do 84 by 82 edit. And if you're playing plug, maybe lock some profits on plug. I took half a stop on RMO. SCNS never materialized. All right, you guys watch this for me. I'll be right back. I'm actually gonna go get some. Oh, actually, let's just get off the mic. 84 is the entry, and market is puking. Only reason I'm playing this because of relative strength. It has extreme relative strength. Look at the market. Look what edit is doing, and that's the only reason. And I am not anticipating this. I am not anticipating. And I might just go full size here. Continue to do what it's doing. Um, uh, Graham, IPOE, IPOE. IPOE is nice. IPOE is nice. 2 million shares traded here. This thing can go to 22 today. IPOE is nice. Um, edit edit no dice. No dice on edit, but I'll tell you what, when it breaks, it's going to break. Edit. No dice. Market's definitely looking sketchy here. Qs are definitely looking sketchy. See right here, that dangerous line here. This breaks, you can get much lower. But nice job on plug, guys. Nice job on plug. You guys are playing, that's the first trade I gave you on the plug. That's the first trade I gave you. Plug. That was my best short today. Best short. Too bad I didn't hold it, but best trade today. Plug. I gave you $3 move on this plug. And how about this WFC? It still looks lower. Cancel edit. Absolutely not gonna. Uh, if it breaks, it's gonna break out, like break out crazy. And I just don't have time to sit here and watch this. But edit is cancel. So hold on to the longs. Yeah, hold on to the longs. I am not. If I'm going to get in long, I've got few longs that I am watching at the moment, which nothing's setting up because I was very, very cautious about longs today, and I was more into short. I did like this Remo. I did like this Remo. I thought this one daily 1 2 3 is going to play out nicely. It didn't. It's fine. Um, everything's pulling in here. Everything's pulling in here. So Baba. Baba's actually doing nothing. It's actually looks pretty bullish here over 245. Uh, GME too bad it wasn't available short. Anyway, so I'm actually gonna get off now. So have a good rest of the day. I've got a very early appointment today. Um, so I am going to get off. Good day, guys. Good day today. I gave you I've gave you a bunch of winning trades today. You got Wells Fargo, you got Plug, you got WFC, Remo stopped out, and then and PLTR. Those that took PLTR, that was good. So good stuff. And guess what? Most importantly, it's free. All right, have a good rest of the day.